if you are looking for the best way to make money online, I want you to keep watching because in this quick video, I'll show you how to get paid daily from just using Google Spreadsheet. And of course, you can do it on your computer or you can do it on your phone. So this is going to be a quick warning for you. Now, if you wanna make money just like this, $595.67, you have to follow my simple and easy strategy because if you follow my steps, you can get paid without any skills and without any experience. And you can receive your money within 24 hours. And the best part about this is that this is absolutely free. You don't need to pay any money to do this. And this is available worldwide, meaning that every country in the world you can join this opportunity. So here is how much money you can make. You can make now if you complete one Google Spreadsheet and you can earn $80 for one Google Spreadsheet. And if you complete 5 Google Spreadsheets, you can earn up to $400. And if you complete 10 Google Spreadsheets, you can earn up to $800. If you are new here, be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell and choose this all notification. And also you can like this video and share out to your families and your friends. So real quick, I want you to check this out right now. As you can see here, this is the spreadsheet entry free job. And you can earn about 20 cents up to 40 cents per sales. This is very powerful. And I'll show you exactly the real life example on the Google Spreadsheet. Make sure you keep watching all the way, okay? And I'll show you exactly the real life example on the Google Spreadsheet. Make sure you keep watching all the way. And I'll show you everything and give you some bonuses in this video. Make sure to stay tuned. So the website that I want to show you today, which is Hirezen.com. You can see here, for this website, they offer online work from home opportunities. And the sign up is absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to set up and register on this website. So make sure you keep watching all the way until the end because I'll show you the website and show you how to sign up. And also the real life example on Google Spreadsheet and also show you how much money you can actually make. And what I like about this website is that you do receive global exposure, meaning that they are accepting people from worldwide. No matter where are you coming from, you can still join this opportunity. Now, comment down below and let me know what is your country and where are you coming from. Once you finish your job, you can receive your money timely payment within 24 hours, okay? And also 24 times 7 online supports. Very timely to pay out every single day. So again, this is what we are going to focus in today, which is using Google Spreadsheet earn about 20 cents up to 40 cents per sales. So right now, when you come to this website, you just need to click on this current openings and choose this Excel sheet freelancer and click on this. Or you can scroll down a little bit, find this spreadsheet entry jobs, just click on this. And you will land on this page, become an Excel sheet freelancer and get flexibility of working virtually for our great clients. You can work from home, you can do on your computer, or you can do it from your phone. And make sure to keep watching because I'm going to show you inside a Google Spreadsheet and also how much is your earning potential. Now when you scroll down a little bit, you can see right here, application procedures is free to join. The registration here is absolutely free. You don't need to pay any money to join this. And if you are interested in becoming an Excel sheet freelancer for Hirezen.com, please first understand the application procedures. It's 100% free as you can see right here. Just click on this button right here. And after that, you will come up to this page. As you can see here, how to apply at Hirezen.com. They're going to give you a guide, a step-by-step application on the Hirezen.com so they can start receiving job and start making money online. So this is how the application form looks like. You just have to put in your username, your first name, your last name, and also your age, email address, password, and confirm password again, and also your mobile phone and your gender, whether you are male or female. So right here, very important, select your notice period. When you click on this choose, you will find that you can select immediate, 15 days, 1 month, 2 months, or more than 2 months. They are very important. Right now, I want you to select on immediately on the notice period, okay? Because you want to receive job as soon as possible. It's very important. You have to make sure that you select immediately because they are gonna see your application faster and you can get accepted quicker. So here you will see which positions are you interested in. Now, when you click on this down arrow here, you can find different jobs. Right now, we are going to fill on this Excel sheet freelancer job. Click on this. And for the country, click on down below. Basically, they're accepting people from all over the world. Now, if you are from US, India, Bangladesh, Philippines, Nigeria, Pakistan, they're accepting whatever country you are coming from. And then for your current work status, choose your work status. Just put on this freelancer. Because if you put in that, you have a higher chance to be accepted and you can receive more jobs, meaning that you can make more money online. So right here on this section, brief yourself. Enter a bit about yourself. You need to type in a brief description. Now, very important, and I'll give you these bonus tips right here. You just have to follow my scripts. As you can see here, hi, my name is Little Shen. I would like to apply for Excel sheet freelancer and wish to be accepted as soon as possible. You can change this Little Shen to your name and make sure that you put in as soon as possible, okay? Because it's very important. They want people to come in and join in faster because there's so many jobs to be distributed to you. And just click on this. So all jobs will be done on time with extreme accuracy. This is so powerful because when you put in this sentence right here, the chances that you get selected is so much higher. After you fill in all your details following my steps on this video, you are going to click on this register button right here, blue button right here. Just click on this. So that's all. Right now, I'll show you the job that you could be receiving once you got accepted. And as you can see here, Little Shen Google spreadsheet entry due 2 days. You have to submit this to them and you can get paid. Now, as you can see here, you're gonna fill in all the Google spreadsheet right here and key in all the data entry on the Google spreadsheets. So you can see here on the top, participants, numbers, gender, age, and the height, the weight. Now, your job is you have to fill in all the cells right here on the Google spreadsheet or on the Microsoft Excel. Now, over the left right here, your participants' numbers, they're going to fill in for you. As you can see here, number 1 all the way up to 100. And you have to fill in all the details on the right section here. You can see right here, all the blank space right here. You can see how much money you can potentially make a spreadsheet entry jobs per sales. For per sales, it's 20 cents up to 40 cents, okay? For this one, this is 1 sales per sales. And you can see here, per sale, you can earn about 20 cents up to 40 cents. So on average, usually you just receive about 20 cents. As far as I never get any rate that's higher than 20 cents. So we go on back to the Google spreadsheet. As you can see here, there's about 100 participants, right? Just now I have shown you. And when you times 4, as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 columns. So right now, we go on to the online calculator. So just now, we have 100 participants, right? And then times 4 columns equal to 400. So we have a total of 400 cells. And you can see here, 20 cents to 40 cents. Just back to the calculators and times 20 cents equal to $80 per sheet. And then for this one, you can earn about $80 for one spreadsheet, okay? For this Google spreadsheet, one for this $80. And a good thing about this is that you can repeat this as much as you want. When you submit on time and if you type it accurately, you're going to receive more and more jobs, and this is how you can scale and make more money on this website. So right here, very important, you need to put in all the accuracy and make sure you type in and key in the right gender, female or male. It is depending on the job that you receive. It might be different depending on the people who hire you as well on the Hirezen.com website. Before you leave this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Remember to choose this all notification so that you can learn the best way to make money online and won't miss out any new videos from me. And I'll see you on the next video.